What's up guys, welcome back with me Sneak Compare. Today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Lebron Witness 7 Lakers colorway. So let's check it out. As you can see here on the first sample, you can see on the marking area the lace hole here is it's a lot more bigger on the fake one. And also this one, the tip of the Nike swoosh is placed right in the middle, whereas on the authentic is slightly go down. It's placed right on the bottom here. And also this one, between this plastic, the gap between the plastic and the stitching is too narrow on the fake one than the authentic. The authentic is a lot more wider. Another sample here, the lace hole here is slightly to the left. It's not placed right in the middle. And also still same here, the Nike swoosh is placed right in the middle. It should be like the authentic here. The placement should be like this. And you can see here the lace hole is not placed right in the middle. Look at my pointer. You can see it should be right in the middle here. But still same, you can see a lot more samples just like this. Misplaced. Basically just misplaced. And also another sample here. You can see the Nike swoosh here is too long. Slightly go down on the fake one. And this one, you can see the lace hole is too big. There's no gap here on the left side and the right side. There's no gap. And this one, you can see the plastic is messed up. This one is the Nike swoosh is too big. You can see there is no gap here. It's placed right in the middle. However, on the authentic, you can see here it's placed right on the bottom here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you can see here, the lace hole is slightly to the left on the fake one compared to the authentic. And also the plastic here is a lot more darker on the fake one. Another sample, you can see the letter Witness, it's smaller than the authentic. The authentic is a lot more bigger. And also the embroidery here, the lace hole is slightly to the left. Another sample, the lace hole here is slightly to the right, and this one is the letter here is slightly go down. Moving to the back of the shoes, you can see here on the marking area the embroidery here is too close with the lion here. There's no gap here, almost no gap, whereas on the authentic there is a lot more gap here, and the embroidery a lot more thicker on the fake one than the authentic. Another sample here, you can see the stitching is not placed right in the middle, slightly to the left compared to the authentic here. And this one still same, you can see it's not placed right in the middle. It still be right on top of this I letter here. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question, just write down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so I can make another video just like this. Thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.